The print head is important. Take special care during installation. Incorrect operation can burn out the nozzle. Please handle with care. This is the machine's recirculating ink supply system. It's to allow the ink to circulate. Keeps no air inside the ink tube. Power down the machine first. Start installing the nozzle. Put 4 bottles of ink. Pour into the corresponding ink cartridge. Unplug these two first. Find these 4 black wires. It's marked C, M, Y, K. Take the 4 black wires and stuff them through here. The 4 plugs that have to be inserted here on the board. The letters above need to be corresponding colors, installed like this. As shown, all 4 wires are plugged in. This is the power supply for the circulatory system. Corresponding colors, connected. There's a difference between the two ink tubes on an ink drum. You can't connect the wrong ink tube. If connected incorrectly, it will cause the ink to be muddy. Corresponding colors, connected. Corresponding colors, connected. On the barrel of the corresponding color, find the ink feed tube. Tighten it here in the middle. It's marked M is red. The ink feed tube is mounted directly on the print head. Find the corresponding color. Take off the little black cover. Start installing the ink tube. Slowly twist the ink tube. Stick the ink tube in the end. Important. Insert the ink tube gently. Do not break the plug on the nozzle. Find the ink dispenser. The ink outlet tube is attached to the white part. Find the red ink tube here, and then to the other red slot. As shown in the diagram, all 8 ink tubes are connected. Then remove the nozzle cover. This is the nozzle of the nozzle. Do not touch and bump. Put it on gently. Good alignment. Good correspondence between left and right. Tighten the nozzle to one side. Find the 2 rows. Check the metal parts of the wires for breakage and foreign objects. No water or ink on the metal parts. First, take the black part and gently pull it out. Install the white cable first. Metal side up. The left and right should be pressed in and fastened. Make sure you don't stick it in the wrong way. The black part breaks upwards. Installation of wiring. Metal side facing left. After the wires are plugged in, snap it down and lock it in place. Install the black cable as well. Be careful that metal parts are not crooked. Fasten left and right. The black part breaks upwards. Installation of wiring. Metal side facing left. After the wires are plugged in, snap it down and lock it in place. Plug in the power cord. After the installation, please contact our technician. Make a video or photo confirmation. Check that each ink tube is connected correctly. Only then can you turn on the power.